Morning students, I Neelam am here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 15, congruence of triangles. Okay, so today my topic is here congruent figures. Today congruent figures and congruence of plane figures. Okay, so let's start. For your previous knowledge, here you can see the bottles and houses of exact shape and size here. Yes, is it so na? Then the figures that are of the same shape and size are called congruent figures. Okay, then can you find the examples of congruent figures in your surroundings? You can see many examples in your surroundings. Okay, you can look at that two doors of same shape and size, many patterns, styles. The figures that are of the same shape and size are called congruent figure. Then in daily life, we come across various figures and objects. According to their shape and size, we can classify them into three categories. Number one, objects with different shapes and different sizes. Here, objects with different shapes and different sizes. Here first shape is of a square here, and this is a polygon made up of 5-line segment called pentagon. Here this is a regular hexagon, a closed polygon with 6 equal sides. Then this is octagon, a closed figure made up of 8 equal line segments. Then this is octagon. Then number 2, objects with same shape but different sizes. Shape is same but sizes are different. One is smaller and other is, this is smaller than the bigger one. Here objects shape is same but sizes are different here. Then objects with same shape and same size. Yes, here 2 spoons are there. 2 spoons are there. Means these objects with same shape and same size. In the warm up, we saw that the bottles and houses are of exact shape and size. In geometry, two figures or objects that have the same shape and size, or if one has the same shape and size of the other, are called congruent figures. कौन सी फिगर कहलाती हैं ज्योमेट्री में? In geometry, two figures or objects that have the same shape, here congruent figures, same shape and size of both here. These are called congruent figures, and the property is called congruence property. So we can say in geometry, two figures or objects that have the same shape and size, or if one has the same shape and size of the other, are called congruent figures, and the property is called congruence property. In other words, two shapes are said to be congruent if they are of the same shape and size, that is, the corresponding sides of both shapes are the same length and corresponding angles are the same. So we use the symbol here is equal to and this side. This symbol is used for congruence and we call it is congruent to. This is a symbol for congruence, and can be read as is congruent to. Okay, if a shape A is congruent to shape B, here if this suppose this is shape A and this is shape B is congruent to shape B, we say A is congruent to B and we write A is congruent to B. Shapes which are of different sizes but have the same shape are said to be similar. Then comes congruence of line segments. To check whether two line segments AB and CD are congruent or not, trace a copy of line segment AB and superpose it on the line segment CD. If they cover each other completely, then the two line segments AB and CD are congruent, else not. Here AB, CD, both line segments are given here. When both these lines will cover each other completely, now AB and CD here. So CD is covering AB completely, then the two line segments AB and CD are congruent. We can say line segment AB is congruent to line segment CD if AB is equal to CD. If the two line segments are of equal length, the line segments are congruent. Also, if the two line segments are congruent, their lengths are equal. In exercise 15.1, you will measure each of the line segment and state which two of them are congruent. Okay, you will measure AB, BC here, CD, LM and XY, and write the measurement and you will tell which two of them are congruent. Okay, then which of the following pairs of figures are congruent? When you will look at the figures, this rectangle is 4 by 2, 4 by 2, same. So these both figures are congruent. Here this is a circle with radius 3 cm and this is a circle with radius 4 cm. Are both of these circles congruent or not? No, na? Then here, see in C part, these two squares are given to you with side 5 cm. With side 5 cm. So you can say here these both figures here, pair of figure is congruent. Okay, pair of figure is congruent. Then in third question, in each of the following figures, name the congruent angles. Congruent angles, कौन से हैं congruent angles? Same angle. Angle COB and BOA, 45 degree each. Okay, I will tell you about congruent angles in my next video. So you will complete question number 1 and 2 of exercise 15.1. Okay. So stay alert, stay healthy, take care of you, take proper care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you. Take care.